Steve and Jacinta with treebirdfeeders.com. And Jacinta and I are going to talk about our tree bird feeder suet cores. We have these in super suet cores, and we also have them in purple coneflower cores. And basically, the cores come in a package. On our website we have large boxes that you can order, that way you save on the shipping. But these come in cores, and it's best to keep these cores frozen. Hope that is something. Then each one of our feeders, this is the tree bird feeder limb, the tree bird feeder trunk, and the tree bird feeder super trunk. This one has 3 cores, tubes. This one and this one have 2 tubes, and you just take the suet core, shove it into the tube, and there was some suet left in there, and you always want to push it the same way. That way you always put the oldest on the outside. And you can just break that off, slide it up there, start it in the other core, and they just jam right in there, and the birds eat them out of there. The cores are lined in a galvanized steel to protect the feeder, and the birds love eating the suet cores. And we do have these in the super suet cores, and we do have our own purple coneflower cores. We won't have those available until this fall. We grow all of our own echinacea. You can see some of it in the background is organically grown. We harvest that seed and utilize that seed in the purple coneflower suet cores. It's one of the most natural seeds to many of the native birds that they like to eat. So we have the super suet cores and the purple coneflower cores. Jacinta, what's your favorite thing about the super suet cores? The woodpeckers. Yes, the woodpeckers love them, as do many other birds. They are a good attraction to your feeders. And I also have on our website a test we did with our suet cores versus store-bought suet. What we did is we placed our cores in one tube, the store-bought suet, the most expensive you can get, in another one. Took a time lapse on it. The store-bought one was not touched until the tree bird suet was completely gone. And you can see the pictures of that test on the web page for the suet cores. So this has been Steve and Jacinta with treebirdfeeders.com, and thanks for watching.